Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in stock markets. They can help in stock selection process by making use of data-driven algorithms to identify patterns in historical market data, such as stock prices, volume, and other financial indicators. These algorithms can then be used to generate predictions about future stock performance and to help investors make informed decisions about their investments. Additionally, machine learning algorithms can be used to identify correlations between different stocks, which can help investors select stocks with high potential for long-term growth. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can also be used to identify trading opportunities by employing predictive models that seek to identify emerging trends in the market, or by using natural language processing to analyze news articles and social media posts for potential investment opportunities. Overall, artificial intelligence and machine learning offer powerful tools for stock selection, allowing investors to make more informed decisions and maximize their returns.